B2, it's your boy Catloco back again. So I went ahead and ran to Harbor Freight to pick up a new grinder. I picked up this one. It's the same one, heavy duty one. This one is $18.99. I got it for $15 with 20% off. So I picked up another one of these. I was thinking about the black one. The black one is $10, but this one's $15 normally, or like $16.99. But I got it for $15. I picked up a few more things. Picked up a brush just to get the dust up. Some of these paint cans. Some brushes. This one I normally use for my chassis saver. Some people like brushes. I like the foam brushes. And I picked up the actual wire brushes. So this one's a little more expensive. It's like $6. This is the twisted wire 3-inch, because I've been using the normal 3-inch wire. So I picked this one up, test it out, see if it lasts longer. So I got this one, and then they had these for sale for like $3 or $4. The 4-inch version. So I picked up 2 of those. So I got 2 of these and 1 of those. But anyway, I vacuumed out both sides of the back. I vacuumed the driver's side. So now I got to finish using the wire brush on the passenger side. You can see how clean it is now. It's way cleaner than it was. I might treat that again with some vinegar or something, but I mean the chassis saver would do the same thing. So yeah, this is the before, and I'll show you the after in a minute. What's up YouTube, it's your boy Catloco. Back on the Caprice. So as you can tell, everything's all vacuumed up. Everything's all vacuumed. So, looking at the floors, I actually have a little more work than I wanted to. This floor, we're not going to touch. I'm still going to look underneath it and make sure everything's good. But right now, I'm not going to touch the driver's side. We're going to repair the back. The passenger side is actually really bad. It's worse than I thought. I don't know if you can see those pinholes. There's one there, like here. You can see daylight. See where you can see the daylight? And then there. So I got a couple places where I have daylight, and then actually on this side I got daylight. Got a couple pinholes, and then the back actually has a few pinholes too. There's that one there, which kind of a good size hole there, and then I got 3 holes right there. Now those holes I may be able to like plug weld those. If they burn out, obviously I'm gonna have to just cut it out. But I may be able to just plug weld those. But that pan definitely has to go. So I'm gonna still chassis save the parts that I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna chassis save the parts I'm gonna keep, and then all the parts where I'm gonna need to put new metal, we're just gonna leave it exposed for now and then coat it later. But yeah, that kind of sucks in the back. You can see that hole over there. But you can see it's all black now from the vinegar. Everywhere where it's rust is like a dark black coating on it, especially right there. You can tell where it's black. That's where the vinegar came in play. But anyway, let me start coating the parts that I need to coat. This front part, and then maybe parts of the tunnel, and then around the pans I'm not going to really touch. Let's get it. Alright, so I'd start applying a few coats of chassis saver. I went ahead and switched to the brush just because this floor is kind of textured, so it's kind of hard to use the foam brush. It's better on like a smoother surface. I still gotta get up top by the firewall. I left that side over there exposed for now. That's exposed. I'm gonna paint around this edge right here. I'm gonna leave the center exposed, and same thing on this side. But you can see the look I'm going for on the floor. So when it dries up, that's only one thin coat on right now, but that's the look we're going for the floor. And then I actually use some S8 reducer. This is like the thinner reducer for chassis saver. So I use some of this just because this can's been sitting for a while. So I just put a little reducer, thin it up a little bit, because this is what we're using right here. But yeah, I got one coat on there. I'm gonna pour some more and get that back piece, and then let it dry for a little bit and jump on it tomorrow, or if it's still enough daylight, I'll come back in and apply the second coat. So one more thing I forgot to mention about chassis saver: if this stuff touches your skin, or when it touches your skin, the only thing getting this stuff off is Jesus and this S8 reducer. Because once this stuff touches your skin, you and this chassis saver are one for a week. It's not coming off. As always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.